excited back here? Can we see your big smile? Oh my God. They look so good. Are you happy now? Have you seen it?
Wow. And I haven't seen it in over a year and a half.
Wow. This must be very exciting for you. How come you're not smiling? Smile, big smile. Big smiles. Nice. You want to show it to your mom?
Sure.
Come on.
Here we come, Mom. Begin unveiling.
Oh my gosh. Look at that. Feel good? Can I take finger across that? Doesn't that feel good? Holy cow, man. You look fabulous.
Awesome.